This is going to be my video 2 for aspiring APS Kilobyte and APS Kilobyte that is currently watching me. In this particular video, I'm going to be talking about why target audience is important. Why target audience is important. When you know your target audience, what is the benefit of it? And when you don't know your target audience, what is the implication of this? I'm going to be making this video very short so that you can also quickly detect where your error is so that you can fix it, and so that you can also know if you are doing it right, then you can put in more effort. So knowing your target audience will allow you to be able to know these specific things. And I'm going to be listing them out for you one after the other. The first thing knowing your target audience will be doing for you is that it's going to be allowing you to create content that are relevant. Content that are relevant to your target audience. When you know your target audience, that is the only time you can create content that are relevant. If you don't know your target audience, you will even realize that you just continue to post anything postable. That is what you will post on your social media page. So please, knowing your target audience is very, very important, because number one is what is going to allow you to be posting something that is relevant. When you also know your target audience, the second thing that is going to be doing for you is that it's going to be allowing you to use the right tone and the right word for your target audience. It is only when you know your target audience, that is when you can use their language to speak to them. That is when you can use their language to talk to them. Look at me. I am focused about who? African youth. So I need to make sure that my English that I'm going to be using must be understandable by everybody in Africa that understands English. Not everyone in Africa understands English, but people that I'm targeting, I have students from Ghana, from South Africa, from Gambia, from Liberia, from those particular African countries that they can speak good English and they can understand simple English. Those are my own target audience. Those are the people that I am currently making my videos for. So I know who I am talking to. You cannot see me here speak in Yoruba unless you join my Yoruba channel where I focus on another niche. So you need to understand what you are doing on this online space. So when you know your target audience, it's going to be easier for you to use the language that they understand so that they can easily reach out to you. Another thing that you need to take note of, the reason why it is important for you to know your target audience is that when you know your target audience, it will be easy for people, it will be easy for you to attract people that is interested in learning from you or buying from you. Look at me now. I am a coach on this online space and I teach people different digital skills that can actually make them money online. But because I know my target audience, it was easier for people to reach out to me. Oh, African Prince Alex, I want to learn content writing. Oh, African Prince Alex, come and design my website for me. Oh, African Prince Alex, I want to learn this business model. Oh, they are reaching out to me because I know who I am preaching my... You cannot see me talk about Wizkid and Davido. There is nothing concerning me about those people. They are doing well at their own industry, and my own target audience is not people that are interested in music. My target audience are people that are ready to learn, people that want to acquire more knowledge so that they can grow, and that is why I'm giving out the knowledge to them. So you too, if you are into selling anything, let's say you are selling a bag now, you should know that your target audience are people that are interested in maybe fashion. They want to buy good bags, they want to look good when they wear bags. So talk to them directly. Talk to them, you know them, you will attract more of them. And the more you attract them, the more they even refer you, tell their friends about you, and then you continue to grow at your pace. So that is that about that. So now, if you don't know your target audience, these are the things that you should be expecting. If you don't know your target audience, you will realize that I'm going to be listing out just 3 things for you that you need to be expecting if you don't know your target audience. Number one thing that you should be expecting if you don't know your target audience. So if you don't know your target audience, please kindly fix this now. You are going to be posting your content scattered. Your content is just going to be scattered. Let's say today you talk about Man U and Chelsea that is playing match. Tomorrow you are going to advertise your product. Next tomorrow you are going to talk about comedy. Next tomorrow you talk about Kole Show movie. Next tomorrow you talk about you are going to just continue to post anything that comes to your mind. That is if you don't know your target audience. So if you are part of people and you know within yourself that you usually do this, definitely you don't know your target audience. Come and learn the way you can understand your target audience in APS Skill-Up Institute. Just send me a direct message. I'm going to teach you. I'm going to break it down for you so that you can also understand your target audience. You will not be posting scatterly on your page again. Another thing that people that don't know their target audience are going to be doing is that their message is not going to be clear at all. Your message, what you are passing to people, it will not be clear. When they ask anybody, what is African Prince Alex doing for African youth? I am sure 95% of my students will tell you what I am passing to everybody. They will tell you what I am doing for humanity because they've already passed through me. They've already seen my content. My content has delivered the message to them. So if you are into anything, you need to know how to pass your message. But if you don't know your target audience, Check your post today. Go to your Instagram page, go to your Facebook page, go to your TikTok page. If you are using YouTube as well, go and check what you are posting. Does your post correlate? Is it passing message to those people that are watching it? If it is not passing it, please, you need to come and learn your target audience. And you are not learning ordinary target audience. You need to come and learn the skill called social media content marketing skill, so that you don't get everything wrong at all. And I'm sure if you are currently learning the skill, congratulations to you. So that is another thing. The third one that you need to take note of, if you do not understand your target audience or you don't even know your target audience, when you realize this third one too, make sure that you go and learn. This third one is majorly common in everywhere. The third one is that your selling is going to be difficult, which means that it's going to be difficult for you to sell to people. It's going to be difficult for you to sell to people. I sell to people virtually every single day. They didn't see me like this, and I sell to them every day. Why is it easier for me to sell to them? It is because I understand my target audience. I am not looking for followers. I am not looking, not that you are not going to get followers, you are going to get followers, but followers, I used to emphasize on this. Followers and target audience, they are two different things. If you have 1,000 target audience, somebody that have 10,000 followers may not be making money like you. So please understand what you are doing on this online space. They will tell you that sales is a game of numbers. That was the reason why you go and join contact game, so that you can have plenty contacts. All those plenty contacts that you have, they are called followers, not target audience. The sales is a game of number that they are talking about there, is that you should know your target audience. When your target audience are in multiples, you are going to skyrocket in your sales. Your income is going to increase, because target audience are the people that really need what you are offering to them, while followers are just people that are viewing your content. So thank you so much. If you have got value from this particular video, please don't forget to like this video and also share to your loved one. Let them also benefit from this knowledge that you are acquiring. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.